guys, we are in Dickinson, Texas. You may have heard of Dickinson, Texas. It was one of the towns that took the most fall from Hurricane Harvey, and I am in the Dickinson, Texas cemetery. So we are right next to the Bayou, and this place got flooded a lot. So we're going to go check it out and see how the spirits are doing here and how the graves are doing here. It's a beautiful cemetery. It is by a highway, so you will hear some cars going by. I'm hoping that's not going to affect any EVPs that we do. But yeah, we'll go check it out. Let's go check these ones out in the corner. You can actually see the bayou right there. And I know this bayou flooded. It flooded out the town of Dickinson. So, I will play some of the news clips on here for you, if I have it all. Let's see, there's the bayou. People are down there fishing. A lot of things have been back to normal. Oh, baby, 1919. These are old. Hi, Charles. 1829 to 1910. If anyone wants to come and talk, you can come speak into my camera. That's me crunching around in the leaves, by the way. If you do see anything on this video, or hear anything that I don't hear, go ahead and put it in the comments below. I would love to know all about it. This is a very decorated grave up here. And what's a little creepy around here, when I was walking up, this must be someone's brand new grave, because it's not even filled in all the way. So maybe he is still here with us. Some of these look really old too. I have to be careful because I don't want to step on anyone. So let's see. Let's see what they say. 1961. I'm looking at this one over here. What does this say? Frank Strom. Born April 26, 1872, passed in 1938. Paula D. Hughes, wild child. With a motorcycle. She has a motorcycle on hers. And here's beautiful cross. So if anyone wants to come talk, you can come talk through the microphone on my camera. Or in a minute, I have what's called a spirit box. And you can manipulate the frequencies, the radio frequencies that come through that, and talk to me. Okay. Oh, I see a bench over here, so we can go sit down by this bench. Beautiful place. And maybe talk to a few people. See if anyone wants to talk today. I really just feel peaceful here. I haven't gotten dizzy yet. Nothing. Oh, so this is a new and an older cemetery. Because here's another recent grave and another recent... You know... I don't know if they're recent though. Let's see. I think they are. Yeah, 2017. They're still waiting on the headstones. Wow. That one says 1900. Born 1842 and past 1900. So it's new and old. Let's go. John Shorty. Oh, it's very beautifully decorated. That looks like someone's buried there, but there's no tombstone. Huh, I don't know. Let's go in a little bit. Maybe see if some of the new people would like to talk to us. So, I'm just going to put my camera down. Watch out for your ears. It's going to get really loud, because my speaker gets really loud. So let's see, it looks like it's on. Oops, power. Oh, that wasn't too loud at all. Let's see if we can turn it up. Hello, is there anyone here that would like to talk to us? Might not be able to hear you right now, but if you come talk in this device, I can play it back, and I can listen to what you were saying later. Does anyone have a message? Can you say your name? Almost had it. You have to speak really loud and really clearly. Yeah. What's your name? Frank? You have a beautiful cemetery here. Did you get hit hard by Hurricane Harvey? Did the cemetery get flooded by the hurricane? You have to come speak more clearly. You know? How many people are here with me right now? How many people are here right now in the cemetery? How many spirits are here with me? Can any of you step in front of my camera and show yourself on camera? If I want? Yeah, can you show yourselves to me? Can you step in front of the camera so we can see you? loved ones might listen in on this. Do you have any messages for them? Hi. Are you in heaven right now? You're in heaven right now? Can you stand in front of my camera so we can see you? Dad, are you here with me right now? Outside? Dad, you're over here? Are you here with me, Dad? My father lived in this town for years and years, and he just passed away recently. His name is Wayne. Yeah. Speak really clearly so we can hear you. What? Is that, you say Billy? Billy, are you here with us? Are we safe in this cemetery? It seems really safe in this cemetery. Is this a safe? What's behind me? You said behind me. What is behind me that I need to be looking for? I didn't see a Billy. I saw a Shorty. Shorty, are you here? That's what. Slow down. World War II. Found you? Nope. Where are you? Can you show yourselves to me? Can you poke my shoulder? Doubt it? Can you poke my shoulder or push me? Well, I better let you go. It's getting late in the evening. Thank you for letting us come visit your beautiful cemetery. You cannot follow us home. You have to... No, you cannot follow us home. You have to stay here. Goodbye. If you want to say anything else, come talk on my camera. Well, I think we got a lot of really good EVPs here. I'll have to go back and listen to them and see what everyone was saying. But it's a beautiful cemetery.